Stop watching 40 hours long intro to cloud courses. They are designed to keep you watching, not to get you hired. The industry has moved on, but the tutorials haven't. If you are still starting with the what is cloud, you are already lost the race. There are a hidden roadmap that the top 1% of engineers use to keep the entry level help desk and jump straight into the cloud roles. In the next minutes, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint, the one that focuses on the value over the vague concepts. We are currently in the era of the paper engineer. People with the 5 certifications who can't explain how a DNS record actually works. This is why you aren't getting interviews. Recruiters don't want to see your badges, they want to see your architectural DNA. Step number 1, escape the GUI. If you are still clicking the buttons in a window environment, you are not a cloud engineer, you are a user. You need to master the Linux terminal. Don't just learn it, automate with it. If you can't script your the way out of your problem, you will be replaced by an AI agent in 2 years. Step number 2, master the networking metrics. But wait, here is the part everyone skips. Everyone wants to talk about AI and Kubernetes, but nobody actually understands how a packet moves from point A to point B. If you can't explain the VPC, subnet, and firewalls, you are building on a house of the card. This is the secret language of the cloud. Learn it and you will instantly be the smartest person in the room. Step number 3, kill click ops. The moment you click create instance in the AWS console, you are failed. Modern companies use the infrastructure as code. You need to learn Terraform. This isn't just a tool, it's a mindset. You don't build infrastructure, you code it. This is the single biggest skill that moves your salary from 5 figure to 6. Step number 4, containers are not optional. Docker is the industry standard for the packaging, but the real game is a Kubernetes. It is the most complex tools on this list, and that's exactly why you should learn it. High complexity equal high demand. If you can orchestrate a cluster, you are virtually unfireable. Check this out. This is the wow moment for any employer. Build a CI/CD pipeline that takes code from GitHub and deploy it to production cluster automatically. No manual steps, no human error. When you can show an employer a system that runs itself, you stop being a candidate and start being an architect. You have got the tools, but tools do not get you hired. Strategy does. If you have stuck with me this far, you are really for a final, most important phase. This is what separates the engineers from the technician. So, step number 5, master the aftermath. Anyone can build a system. Very few people can fix it when it's break at 3 a.m. Learn observability, Prometheus, Grafana, ELK. This proves to a company that you aren't just where to build, you are there to protect their revenue. And the payoff. You don't need a 10-page resume. You need a GitHub repo that shows 3 things: Terraform code, a Kubernetes manifest, and a documented CI/CD pipeline. That is your ticket to any cloud job in the world. The roadmap is simple, but the work is hard. Don't get distracted by the next shiny tools. Stick to the code: Linux, networking, ISAC, and container. You don't need luck, you need a system. Welcome to elite level of engineering. I'm going to be dropping a deep dive on every single one of these steps. If you want the architect level training, subscribe to DeployCore right now. And if you are ready to start step 5 today, watch this video on the 5 resume project that actually gets you hired. Let's get to the work.